Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02299 error in Oracle Database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called ch_escort. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the queries. So I am selecting one table called person5, select star from person5. So it has some records, and also you can see there are duplicate entries for the name column. Okay, there are some duplicate entries for name columns, but anyway I am trying to alter the table person5. Alter table person5, modify name column to be unique. See here, ORA-02299 cannot validate, duplicate keys are found. Okay, so you can see name column contains duplicate values. So what I am going to do, I am going to fix this. So I am going to fix this person5 table. I am going to delete some duplicate values. Let me delete some duplicate values. Okay, I have deleted some duplicate values. Let me select the person5 table once again. Yes, now you can see some unique values are there in name column. So let me execute the alter table person5, modify name unique once again. Now you can see table altered successfully. So this is the fix for ORA-02299.